A very encouraging week that was, as the COVID-19 numbers across the state still trending down, most notably the lowest number of people hospitalized with complications since March. The infection rate has dropped. We're still seeing more cases, and sadly deaths continue to rise, but at a much slower pace. A big part of that, more people are being tested every day, the capability of nearly 10,000 a day now. But a cautionary note from Governor Polis this week, who actually interviewed his mother on Thursday, who remains isolated out of state, to reinforce his message that 90% of the deaths are people over the age of 60 in Colorado. And while he encourages everyone to continue safe practices, including wearing masks when you leave home, it's particularly important for that age group. The governor also said that hundreds of follow-up inspections of senior living facilities across our state have happened to lessen the chances of another outbreak. The National Guard deployment to Colorado will extend through August now, as they're helping in testing and other logistics in fighting the pandemic. Great news for restaurants this week. Limited dine-in service has resumed. El Paso County commissioners approved a variance for in-house worship services, and the reopening of the Cheyenne Mountain Zoo as well, which both those still have to be approved by the governor. All positives. The unknown still, though, the worst behind us or ahead of us. In any event, we continue to focus one day at a time, doing what we can together to move forward, as we reflect daily on so many lives lost, so many families still suffering, and our continued thanks, of course, to those on the front lines of health care. Stay strong, stay safe. Always watching out for you, I'm Rob Quirk.
Also watching out for you, I'm Elizabeth Watts with a look at some of the stories you'll see this coming week on News 5. Starting tomorrow, we'll see more openings in Colorado. June 1st, children's camps can operate as day camps with the help of their local public health agencies. They have to open with restrictions and strong measures. Residential overnight camps still prohibited, but mid-month decisions for July and August should be made. Tuesday, the city of Manitou Springs having a council meeting. They've proposed a reservation and fee system in order to reopen the Incline, with the nonprofit group The Incline Friends encouraging them to vote to open by Friday. We'll keep you posted on any new developments here. Also Tuesday, our Patrick Nelson has a story featuring the financial crimes investigator and expert known as Dr. Fraud. He'll be breaking down some worldwide COVID scams, what you need to know when it comes to smartphone apps, telemedicine, and much more. Also Thursday, Patrick is showing us how horse therapy is helping some rebound, how people are turning to a local nonprofit for a new type of mental health therapy, and find out how it's been helping out our veterans for quite some time. Remember, we are in this together. We're going to keep getting back to normal as much as we can, keeping our community safe, healthy, and thriving. And if you have ideas on how we can rebound or creative ideas that you've seen out there, email rebound@koaa.com. Have a great night, and we'll see you this week.